Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to send out some major love vibes with a practice called loving kindness meditation. This isn't about romantic love, but about a universal, unconditional friendliness toward yourself and others. In a world that can feel harsh and critical, this practice is a radical act of kindness. It's about generating feelings of warmth and care, starting with the person who deserves it most, you. Okay, pause the video until you find a comfortable spot. Starting with your eyes open, hold a soft gaze or a soft focus. You can choose a point in front of you on the screen or anywhere in the room that's comfortable. Let's start with a deep breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that 5 times. With the final breath, try and let go of your day as you gently close your eyes. Bring to mind someone who loves you unconditionally. It could be a person, a pet, a spiritual figure. Feel their love and warmth washing over you. Now we'll try to turn that love toward ourselves. Place a hand over your heart if that feels right, and silently repeat these phrases, letting the feeling behind the words sink in. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Don't worry if you don't feel it right away. Just gently repeat the phrases. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Try that. Now bring to mind a good friend or someone you care about. Picture them clearly and send the same loving wishes to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Try that for the next 30 seconds. Next, bring to mind a neutral person, someone you don't have strong feelings about, like a cashier at the grocery store. Send them the same wishes. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Finally, if you feel up to it, bring to mind someone you have difficulty with. It's okay if this is hard. Just try to send them a little bit of that loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. And may you live with ease. Now, let go of the phrases and just sit in the warm, loving energy you've just cultivated. You may gently open your eyes. This practice can literally change your brain, making you more empathetic and happy. It's a powerful way to open your heart and connect with the world in a more compassionate way. Thank you so much for spreading the love with me today. Go out and be kind to yourself and others.